Hi, now we're going to talk about reducing the chemical toxicity into your body to help your digestive system function properly, as well as how this water is able to hydrate you far faster than any other water, which means your organs are getting hydrated and your body can function optimally. So first thing we're going to do is fill these up. So we'll come over to the tap, and we've got the tap water here. We are going to fill the tap water up because what we want to check is how fast we are able to absorb this water compared to regular water. I remember regular water, including bottled, filtered, it's all the same from a molecular structure as tap. And then what we're going to do is we are going to put the water through into the Enagic unit. We're going to get the Kangen water, and that's what we're going to use to test. So we're going to fill this up to a certain level just to help really get that clarity on how this water is actually going to be able to hydrate you faster. Then we're going to start looking at the tomatoes and how we can actually get rid of that chemical toxicity load really that's being put on them to help you and your family not put more stress that you don't need on this. So we've got the Kangen water there, we're about the same. Now then, let's bring that over here. So Kangen water, let's put the lids on. And then what we're going to do is get into our fruits and vegetable clean. So first of all, we've got this bag. You can clearly see it's all sealed. Tomatoes are in the same bag. So let's put some tomatoes in there. And some tomatoes in there. Just got a bit of a runaway thing there. We've got about the same. Looks about even. Okay. Let's get that out of the way. Right, so this bowl we're going to put in with the tap. I'm going to keep that bowl over to the side with the for the Kangen water. So we're giving the tap water a head start. So that's in there. We can see the tap water over there. Now the unit has a special water for degreasing. So what we're going to do is we're going to put it in there, and this water is designed to help break off oils, because anything that is sprayed onto your fresh fruits and vegetables is actually oil-based. So what it actually does is those oils, those herbicides, insecticides, pesticides, all leach onto your fresh fruits and vegetables. So what we're going to do, whilst they are soaking, we're just going to move them out the way. I'm going to put them over here. So remember, tap water, and we've got the Kangen water, so you can still see in the shop. Now then, tea bag. Let's talk about hydration. So, have you ever tried to make green tea with cold water? Most people say no, because you can't make green tea with cold water. So let's have a little test here. This is a very powerful test to understand how your body is able to absorb the water faster. So we're just going to pick any old tea bag. Pick this one here. There we go. So get that out of the way. And we're going to put it in here. Now then, what we're going to do is we're going to get the Kangen water first, and we're going to pour that into there. Now then, let's just get the tea bag nice and wet. Let's get some of this tea. As you can start to see already, it's actually changing the colour. We're getting tea out of this tea bag. So what we're going to do is then, once it's got completely soaked, because naturally whenever you're making tea, you're leaving it to brew for a bit. Let's move it into the next cup. And then let's put some more of the Kangen water in. So let's just dip that up and down. You can see straight away it's making tea. Now then, if this is in your body and you're drinking this water, as you can tell, it's actually hydrating you very, very quickly. Let's put it in here. Let's put the tap water in, see what's going on. And as you can see, nothing is really happening. Let's put it into Kangen water. And you can see straight away the Kangen water is able to get in there and get more of the tea out. So let's now go into Kangen water again. because naturally the more Kangen water that's going through this tea bag, the more it's actually penetrating through into the tea and drawing out those flavors, the actual tea itself. If we take this now and we put it into this cup here, there you go. See, nothing's really happening. We go back in here and we finish off with the Kangen water just to prove that it is making tea far, far faster, but more importantly, hydrating your body far quicker. See the difference. It's clear to see what's going on. And that's why people experience far better benefits via drinking Kangen water over regular water, because their body is being hydrated. And this is what's really important to understand. So when we've got the Kangen, regular water, same whether it be tap, filtered, bottled, whatever it may be, Kangen water we've made for tea, tap water, nothing, we've made tea. So we can see how it's able to hydrate a lot faster. Now then, let's move these out the way. Get rid of these. Whilst they are helping to soak the tomatoes. So, they're out the way. Let's bring these tomatoes back into play. What we're going to do is, we're going to look at what's going on with them and see how much has come off. Now, we've only had these in for a couple of minutes. So I'm just going to spin these around, just help them remove anything. Remember, this one that I'm in now is the tap water. So we're just going to spin them around. Then this one we know is the Kangen water, the strong Kangen water. So we're just going to spin it around. Now then, naturally if we were to leave these longer, more will be coming off. So, I'll tell you what I've actually got. I don't need these cups because I've actually got 2 other bowls that I prepared earlier. There you go, you see. Almost forgot. So, let's try not to make a mess here. Look at that. Okay, so there's that one. And we can see clearly the difference. So let's move these tomatoes out the way. Let's get my white top behind. So we can see here nothing has come off these tomatoes, literally nothing. It's clear. But here we've got all this yellow goldy residue. Now, unknowingly, we are consuming this on a regular basis when we are consuming our fresh fruits and vegetables. It's very important that we become aware of this, because would you drink this? The answer I know is going to be no, yet we are consuming them. So we need to be aware of getting rid of those chemicals that are spread in our fruits and vegetables. Tap water, rainwater, filtered water, bottled water, alkaline water. It does not remove any chemicals from your fresh fruits and vegetables. In fact, if you're washing them in tap water, you're arguably putting on actually more chemical toxicity of them via the chemicals that are already in tap water. So it's very important we become aware of this. This is the most cost-effective way, the simplest way to actually remove those chemicals from your fruits and vegetables, as well as the drinking the antioxidant-rich water, as well as the beauty care water, everything that you're going to learn should you choose to actually go to the website and learn more around the education that we provide. In our next video, we're going to talk about, can oil be separated with water? Can you go and clean your barbecue, clean your oven without having to use harsh chemicals that are damaging you, damaging your family because of all the chemical toxicity that's going to be going into the body? I look forward to educating you further. Thank you for your time. Bye for now.